In the ever-evolving world of modern warfare, unmanned aerial vehicles, commonly known as drones, have taken center stage from surveillance to targeted strikes. Drones have reshaped the battlefield, but with new technology comes new threats. Enter Pakistan's latest defense marvel, the Spider anti-drone system by Global Industrial and Defense Solutions, or GIDS, unveiled in late 2024. The Spider anti-drone system is Pakistan's answer to the growing threat of rogue drones. Whether it's protecting critical infrastructure, military installations, or borders, this system is designed to neutralize unmanned aerial threats with precision and efficiency. So, how does it work? The Spider anti-drone system has a range of over 10 kilometers, giving it the ability to detect, track, and jam enemy drones before they become a threat. But this isn't just a defensive tool, it's a complete electronic warfare system that can disable drones by jamming their communications, rendering them useless mid-flight. The system is built around a modular, scalable design. This allows it to be deployed in a variety of environments, from high-security government facilities to battlefield scenarios. Its versatility is one of its strongest attributes. One of the most impressive aspects of the Spider anti-drone system is its ability to handle multiple drones simultaneously, with drones increasingly being used in swarms for attacks. Having the ability to neutralize multiple threats at once is a game-changer in modern defense. Developed by GIDS, Pakistan's premier defense manufacturer, the Spider anti-drone system represents a major milestone for the country's defense capabilities, with GIDS already known for producing advanced systems like unmanned aerial vehicles and missile technologies. This new system adds another feather to their cap. The unveiling of the Spider system took place at a prestigious defense exposition in 2024, where it captured the attention of military experts and defense analysts from around the world. Its advanced capabilities put it on par with some of the best anti-drone systems globally, making Pakistan a key player in the growing anti-drone market. Experts believe that the introduction of such technology will not only bolster Pakistan's defense systems but also provide a crucial export opportunity in the global defense market. With drone warfare becoming a focal point of modern conflicts, the demand for effective anti-drone systems is skyrocketing. Looking forward, the Spider anti-drone system is set to play a crucial role in both civilian and military sectors. It will be deployed to protect key military assets, critical infrastructure, and sensitive locations, keeping them safe from the threat of hostile drone incursions. In a world where drones are becoming an increasingly dangerous threat, Pakistan's Spider anti-drone system provides a vital layer of defense. With advanced detection, jamming, and neutralization capabilities, it stands as a beacon of technological innovation in the fight against unmanned aerial threats. What do you think of this cutting-edge system? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more defense updates and technology reviews.